Hello guys, so in this video I'll be putting you through how you can install aaPanel on your VPS server on HarmonWeb. So what aaPanel is, it's just like an alternative to cPanel if you do not want to purchase cPanel license for your server, or you want to you know use something different. Of course there are other alternatives like CyberPanel or even direct admin, but this video is going to be covering aaPanel, of course. So first thing I need to do is ensure that I have the supported operating system on my server. So Ubuntu 20, of course, supported by aaPanel. So I've installed Ubuntu 20. If you do not have Ubuntu 20, maybe you have something else, you can install any other operating system that supports aaPanel or reinstall your operating system. Here we have a video on how you can install OS, so you can watch that. And so the next thing I want to do is log in into my the server via SSH and run some few commands to run the installation of the aaPanel. Before we proceed to this video, I'm going to be giving out a 70% discount on our VPS packages. So if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to be sharing you a discount code in which you can use to get a 70% discount on your VPS on HarmonWeb. So let's get started. I'm going to be using terminal here. So if you do not have, if you're using maybe a Windows system, you can use something like you can use Putty. You can download Putty on your Windows, or you can use PowerShell if it is Windows 10 or Windows 11. So, but this is Mac. I have a default terminal software here which I can use to connect to the to any Linux system. So let me log out from this console there. So first thing I want to do is log into my VPS server, which is to log into that logging into the VPS server SSH. And to do that, you just have to type SSH and then root, which is the username, at the server IP. Let me copy the server IP here and paste it on the shell and then enter. Then it will ask me for password. I type my password and then I should be logged in. Now I'm logged in. You can just clear that and give us the real thing we are here for. So the first thing I want to do is update the OS, which I'm just going to do by running apt, since it's Ubuntu. If it is something like Linux or CentOS, you can use UOM instead of apt. But this is Ubuntu, just use apt, which is apt update, and then y enter. Yeah, all packages are up to date, so we are good to go then. And then sorry, and then the next thing I want to do is download the aaPanel installation script. I already have a guide there. I'm just going to copy this command. I'm going to put this command on this video description, so you can just copy and use. So there are basically two commands you're going to be running, which is this we get to download the installation script and the bash installation script to run the installation. So let me copy this and paste on our terminal on our shell, and then yes, it's downloaded. The next thing I want to do is copy this and paste on our shell to run the installation command. And then it's going to ask, do you want to install aaPanel on this particular directory, which is www directory. So yes, that's where we want to install. That's by default, that's where aaPanel should be installed on. So I'm just going to input y, which is for yes, and then click enter. So this will just start the installation, and the installation usually take like 3 to 5 minutes depending on your network speed or the VPS speed. so it's surely like 3 minutes to 5 minutes. So I will just pause this video and then continue. Good. So the installation is complete. You can see this only took 2 minutes. Whoa, what? So the next thing we want to grab here is our server login link, and then the username and password, which is this here. Of course, you can change this username and password if you want, but by default, these are the login links. So I'm just going to proceed with using this to access the aaPanel interface. So let me just copy this and save it somewhere on my notepad so I don't miss that. So I paste it here, and then I'm just going to use this link to access the control panel, and this is it. So it's showing a SSL error because we are trying to access it by a web, which is HTTPS, using an IP address. Of course, it's going to be showing that kind of thing. So that's not a problem. So let us input the username and password. So I'm just going to grab that from my notepad where I pasted it earlier, and then yep, this, and log in. Now yeah, we logged in, and then click on finish. I don't want that, just get out. Anyway, so it's now going to ask us to install some of course some packages that are recommended or required to run our website, something like NGL, which is the web server, or MySQL, which is for database, PHP, of course, for you can select the PHP version you want to install, FTP, PHPMyAdmin, and DNS server. You can select the ones you want to install. If you select the first one, it's just going to install the major packages without full extensions on all of those packages. But if you install compile, it's going to take a lot of time, and it's like 30 minutes, and to install all of the add-ons and the packages and extensions, majorly all the PHP extensions you need. So I'm not going to be doing this for this video, so we are going to be having another video for setting up your aaPanel. So this is how to install aaPanel on your server, and if you have any question at all, please drop it in the comment section and we will answer you. For those that finished the video, as I promised earlier, I'll be giving you 70% discount on our VPS packages. So use the promo code displayed on the screen. I will also drop this promo code later on the comment section, which you can use to get 70% discount during checkout on our VPS packages. Thanks for watching, and thanks for staying with us. Bye for now, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a lovely time.